Very, very ngwana. Did you circumcise? Uzama ukuthi so that ngizoba convinced ukuthi ngifale in love with him, and definitely he's not my type. Kusha amafutha yona.
360 nyana for them peeps.
Yo. Jama na te mo sumo yo. Yo.
So that was 07.
You were drunk and wanted to kiss me with your mouth smelling again.
You.
Whatever that he was trying to do with me. And then
I don't even remember that. What if she capping? Because
how am I capping?
A bucket head was part. It's more worse than it.
Yo.
But I never got drunk.
Yo.
But no, you're a nice guy, I bet. And whenever you see me anywhere, bruh, don't just smile at me because I'm not your friend. I'm not that. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. You did. You just did. Unmatured niggas like him. He's not matured.
Baru tapi ngwanaka.
Not in that way. Nah, not in that way.
Yo. Tankare Hendrix.
Mo ke tshwere
Henix, re tshwere papa. Then
Final boss
Jama
there.
na te mo sumo yo. Yo.
How you feeling, bro?